Hi there, everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl, Norleen, with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine.
Welcome, my whimsical family. As you can see from the title, I will be doing salmon bites today. I simple cut my salmon into bite-sized pieces and then season with salt and pepper. Now guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Remember to hit that like button, turn on your post notification, hit that like button, save my video to your favorite playlist, and of course leave a comment in the comment section. So as you can see guys, I am leaving the skin on my salmon. I simply make an egg wash and I'm adding to that some olive oil and make sure I beat my eggs well and put aside. On another plate, I have about half a cup of flour with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. To that I've added some cracked black pepper, some powdered season, some allspices, some paprika, of course guys, some garlic powder. I stir this well to make sure it is combined. Next, I will coat my salmon bites and then I'll dip it in egg wash and then of course coat it with breadcrumbs. A special thank you to my subscribers who have been following me week after week. And if you're still watching and haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. So guys, after coating in breadcrumbs, I then moved to put my salmon bites in my sprayed non-stick basket, and guys, I simply turn the temperature to 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Guys, I will cook this on one side and then turn over and cook on the other side. If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or whatever other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you. Know that Wim sees, love, and appreciate you. All right, family and friends, 10 minutes done, and this is what it looks like. I'm simply turning it over, put it back in the air fryer for 10 minutes on the other side. Now guys, I'm going to prepare one quick easy side to go with this. I will be doing a vegetable chow mein as complement for these salmon bites. So I've added some garlic, I've added about a cup of cabbage with some bell pepper, some onions, some tomatoes, guys, some green onions. I stir fry this, and then guys, I simply add the cooked chow mein, stir fry again, add to that some more flavors, some seasoning, nice it up. You can always add pepper and salt to taste, guys. It's up to you. Whatever side you want to add to your salmon bite, it's really up to you. So guys, this is what it looks like. Boy, if only you could smell all of these flavors in the kitchen right now. But guys, just hold on just a little minute. It's soon be done. I pause for the food for thought. It comes to us from Habakkuk 2 verse 14. It says, "For the earth shall be filled with the knowledge of the glory of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea." I want you to know, children of God, that a time is coming when every living thing will acknowledge that Jesus is our creator. My prayer for you is that you will hold on to his unchanging hands. So guys, I'm going to move straight into making a quick applesauce to go with my salmon bites. You can put whatever sauce you want with your thing, nice it up or you like it. I just simply blend some apples, guys, strain it. I then add that to a saucepan, bring it to a boil. I add to that some cornstarch, about a tablespoon and a half. Cook it until it starts to thicken. Then guys, I'm going to add some pepper, a little bit of salt to taste, a little bit of butter, guys. And then I add to that just a little bit of pepper and onion and some black pepper and salt for taste. Guys, just simple. I like that. And my sauce is done, and it goes well to complement my salmon bites. Now guys, you can see I am literally cooking in real time. Actually 20 minutes and this quick meal is all done. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. I'll see you next week, guys, where I'll have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. See you next week, guys. Love, 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 love. Mwah. Love you. See you next week.